What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And I will show you their amazing earnings report and their guidance on the upcoming year. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point when the price was roughly $10.5, and I've told you that right after this movement to the downside we had a massive bounce and most likely we will hit higher targets, and I've told you that from the investor standpoint it was a decent entry point for you, and from this range we had this movement to the upside for more than 30%, and to the current level we still have about 10.5% of potential profits. So definitely it is a very good movement, and the main reason of this movement is this massive candle with this huge volume, and it is the earnings report. And let me show you some information about the Q4 and full year 2021 results. Record GAAP and adjusted revenue for fourth quarter and full year 2021. Fourth quarter, $286 million GAAP revenue, up 67%. $280 million adjusted revenue, up 54% year over year. Fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA of $5 million, positive for 6th straight quarter. Record 523,000 quarterly new member adds, up 39% sequentially. Record 906,000 quarterly new products adds, up 51% sequentially. And definitely it is a very good numbers. And for now let me show you what did Anthony Noto say. And he said, we hit new highs across our key financial and operation metrics in the fourth quarter, finishing 2021 with record annual results. Adjusted net revenue of $280 million was another quarterly record for us, up 54% year over year and up sequentially, even with the unexpected extension of the federal student loan payment moratorium in late December. We exceeded $1 billion in annual adjusted net revenue for the first time. We also delivered fourth quarter adjusted EBITDA of $5 million, our 6th consecutive positive quarter, resulting in positive full year adjusted EBITDA of $30 million. The best part is that we were able to reach both our adjusted revenue and adjusted EBITDA milestones ahead of plan in an increasingly challenging operating environment, while also significantly exceeding our members' growth guidance. Definitely, this statement is the best statement that might hear and might read an investors in this company. And definitely this information leads to this massive movement from its lowest point at $10.5 to its highest of about 31%. And let me give you a sneak peek on their earnings presentation. Right here you can find that they have a substantial growth on all of the metrics. Right here you can see the growth in members, and they added 87% year-over-year growth. Next one, products, 105% growth. Next one, Galileo accounts, 67% growth, and they reached 100 million accounts, as you can see. Next one, lending products, 18% year-over-year growth. Financial services products, 155% year-over-year growth. And definitely their forecast, let me show it to you right here. Their forecast for 2022 is really impressive. Adjusted net revenue of $1.57 billion, annual growth 55%, adjusted EBITDA $180 million, and adjusted EBITDA margin is 11%. Definitely very impressive numbers, and definitely it is only the beginning, because in Q4 2021 they didn't have a bank charter approval, and that's why in upcoming quarters they will increase their margin, definitely they will increase their profitability, and definitely they will increase their user base. On top of that, the end of moratorium in May 2022 will drastically increase their fundamental position. So I am very bullish on SOFI right now, and let me show you right here the information from analysts. Oppenheimer analyst Dominic Gabriel increases his 2022 revenue and adjusted EBITDA estimates for SOFI. He now expects revenue of $1.57 billion versus prior estimate of $1.4 billion and adjusted EBITDA of $182 million. And let me quote you this. The jump in SOFI shares in Tuesday's aftermarket only offers a 6% potential upside for Bank of America Global Research's $14 price target. As a result, Bank of America downgrades the stock to neutral. We think risk-reward is more balanced from here, the note said. 2022 guidance is back-end loaded, and we think it could take some time for investors to gain confidence it can be achieved. And let me show you right here that Bank of America set their price target at $14 and they downgrade the rating from buy to neutral. And let me show you in institutional investors list that Bank of America on February the 8th increased their position by 621%. And for now their position is more than $9 million. And if you divide the value of this position by number of shares, you will find that their average price is $15.81. So they are still in red despite of this movement to the upside. And definitely it shows that this company has a huge upside potential, because even the analyst who downgrades the SOFI ticker increased their position. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that right here, probably we completed all 5 waves. From this bottom we have, this is our first wave, this is our second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is our third, this is our fourth, and as you can see we have an overlapping in the territory of the first one, and I think it is not so significant because it happened on the aftermarket hours, and this might be our 5th wave. So we definitely have very good movement to the upside, and we broke almost all of the resistances that we have right here from these swing highs, and it is a very bullish sign. On top of that, for now we can project some levels where we might land, and if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, as you can see, we already hit the 0.382 range, and we broke it, and we broke even 0.236 Fibonacci retracement level. And for now, the next level where you might add your position with this asset is $11.11. It is 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and the golden pocket, and it is the confluence with the bottom of our 4th wave, and it is the range in between $10.3 and $10.5. So, and let me show you the bigger picture. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, we still have our major target at roughly $18.8, and I set this price target by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom, and it is the golden pocket range, and it is the confluence with this previous top, and technically it is the confluence with the average price from TPrank's analysts. And from our current range we might have about 63% of upside potential. But if you will accumulate your position all the way down, your potential profits might be up to 80%. So definitely it is a very good asset in the medium and long-term perspective. I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys in the next time. Bye!